Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB, and I am a reseller on Poshmark as well as eBay, and where I sell mostly clothing items. On this channel you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from what sold to tips to hauls to unboxings, anything you can think of that I think you guys might find helpful or interesting or I think would be fun to record. So if all that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. Today is a special video. It is my first ever collab video. So it is a box swap with the Thirsty Thrifters here on YouTube, Tara and Dave. Tara is one of my PFFs, as they say. Poshmark friends forever. That's what it is. That's sad that I don't know that. But anyway, I regularly talk to her. I've been watching her channel, I don't even know, maybe, well, for a year, definitely. I don't know how long they've been on YouTube. But anyway, Thirsty Thrifters is her and her husband. They both resell, and they do videos together, and they drink wine, hence Thirsty Thrifters, which probably is what attracted me first. I also enjoy wine. I enjoy it quite a lot. As if you haven't already, you should check out their channel. I will link it below, as well as their video, because we did a box swap. So what we did is, it is a death pile box swap. So instead of going and thrifting for new items for each other, we both went into our death piles and picked out items that we thought the other one would like to resell. So Tara doesn't have as much of a death pile as I do. Like, I have a death landfill. Like, it's just so much stuff I need to list. I think she more had like a box of things that she's saving to list for another season. So she's a lot better than I am. But anyway, we wanted to do a video together, and do something a little bit different. And this is what we came up with. So I have her box right here. She's in my box. It looks like it might have gone through some issues. It has a hole here. It's open on this side, and it has another hole right there. I don't want to show you our addresses. And also, it kind of looks like it might have been like run over at some point. Like, from our new house, like a lot of things have arrived damaged. So I don't know if it's our UPS guy or something. We have a rough time coming to this house. Anyway, I hope nothing in here is damaged. I don't think anything would be. I mean, it's clothing. It's not like breakables in it. So I'm sure it's fine. So anyway, so we sent out these boxes to each other. I reached out to collab with her, and she was really nice enough to agree to it. And I'm really excited. I got the box today, and of course I'm recording because I love surprises. Like, that's mostly why I did like ThredUp unboxings on this channel, is because I just like surprises. Like, I love them. And my favorite birthday I can remember is my 16th birthday, and it's because it was a surprise party. And like, I don't even really remember like any good things that happened in that party. I just remember it as a surprise party. I was like, that was my favorite birthday. I really love surprises, good ones, obviously. I'm actually very nervous about my box. I'm the one that suggested this box swap, but like, and reached out to Tara, but when I was going to look for items for the box, I got like really worried that I was giving her good items that she would want to sell. So I'm really hoping that she enjoys the box and they enjoy the items that I provided. So yeah, I'm a little nervous about that. I hope the box was okay. Because I didn't want to send her like bad things. Like, I didn't go through my death pile and say, oh, I'm not excited to list this, I'm gonna send it to Tara. No, I didn't do that. I went through and I thought, this is an issue. You have such a backlog of stuff that you need to list that it's like, it's like kind of a punishment for you. Pick out the items that you're sorry to lose. So I did. So I sent those off to her. I hope she enjoys it. She watches my videos, so she may recognize some things from some past hauls that have not made it onto Poshmark yet, or eBay. So anyway, I included the comps with my box. I'm not sure if she did. I didn't actually check with her before starting this video. So the comps may be in here, they may not be. If they're not, and I don't really know what the comps are, I'll provide them up above like I do in my other videos. And so yeah, let's open the box. I mean, I guess I could just rip it like, because it's really Yeah, I don't even need scissors. I can just, yeah, I can just, yep, rip that open. All right. Oh, it's got a little note. Good thing I opened it on the right side. This is a cute little paper. Aw. It says, Amanda, I hope you have fun unboxing all my death haul items. Most should be good for spring and summer. Like I said, she mostly shot from like a bin, I think, that she had saved up for a different season. Enjoy your bonus gift, Tara. Oh, I didn't give a bonus gift. I'm sorry, Tara. Next time I'll give a bonus gift. I promise. I like got so close because, you know, it had to be 5 pounds. So I'm so close to 5 pounds and I wanted to make sure she had good stuff. Okay. Anyway, thank you for this. Thank you for the bonus gift, whatever it may be. I'm excited about that. So this is great. So she like, oh, I feel like there's a lot more items in here than I sent her. Oh, Tara. Tara. Oh, God. Anyway, so she puts her items in bags. All right, so I'm gonna bring out the items and let's see what we got. And I already see the bonus. So it is a box of wine. Great, Merlot. I've actually, this is gonna make me sound so bougie, never drank box wine. Okay, no, not true. I was in the Peace Corps, drank box wine when I was in the Peace Corps. I did. Okay, so I haven't drank box wine since then. Yeah. Actually, I got into wine in college. Side note. I got into wine in college, and the reason why I did is because my roommate, best friend at the time, my roommate and best friend, one of my best friends, she's a big wino. So, like, it's not like I went into box wine. Like, I went into good stuff right away because she loved it. She, you know, even back then when she was like 20, she was a 40-year-old in a 20-year-old's body. So yeah. So okay, gonna try box wine. Hopefully it's really good so I can like not spend as much on wine. Okay. Oh gosh, I really think she sent me way more items than I sent her, and I'm a little worried about it. Okay, first item is, oh, it is a Anthropologie piece. This is super cute. It's a little tank. And it is a brand I've not found, 1 September. I've, you know, seen people have it on YouTube. So of course it's size small, by the way. So I know it's, Anthropologie. It's exciting though. I really like finding pieces, brands I've never found before. So, oh, it's got a style number. That's nice. Oh, it doesn't actually have the RN number for Anthropologie. Might not have sold at Anthropologie then, but I thought this brand only sold at Anthropologie. I'll have to check it. I'll put it above. But anyway, it's really cute embroidery with stripes. Next item is, oh, Plenty by Tracy Reese. Anyway, it is a dress, I believe. Yes, it is a green dress. Very cute with, I think it's like rectangles. Yeah, it's rectangles. Very cute. It is a size extra small. Like it a lot. I have a Tracy Reese item in my closet right now. And I think this is also sometimes sold at Anthropologie. This is very light. Ooh, I hope she got out of the bin. She might not have paid much for it. Oh, Alice and Olivia. Oh my gosh. Why? You sent me too good of stuff, Tara. This is too good. Alice and Olivia. So this is really pretty. So it's a one shoulder purple purple top. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm distracted by like how I'm afraid my box is not good enough. It does not have a size on it, I don't think. No, the size tag is missing, but it looks like a small. Yeah, so, but super cute. Okay, Crown and Ivy. I have picked up Crown and Ivy in the past before. It's actually pretty popular here in the South because it's similar to Lily Pulitzer. It's a size medium, and it's a skirt. It's a cute skirt. Jean, like, well, kind of jean material or chambray skirt with pockets. Very cute. I like that a lot. Okay, awesome. Okay, this is Arc & Company. I actually don't know what this is. Or I don't know what Arc & Company is what I mean. I mean, I know what this is. It's a cardigan, or a little kimono. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's like floral. I need summer items to list because I've mostly been focusing on winter stuff. So yeah, that's good that she gave me some spring things to list. I don't know why I'm looking for the size. The size is right there. It's a medium. Anyway, Very cute. I like that a lot. So some shoes. 2 pairs of shoes. What? So Sam Edelman sandals. Aw. These are the GGs, by the way, size 8. All right, next is a Madden Girl. These are just another, what am I trying to say? These are a sandal as well. They are, oh, right here. They are a size 8 as well. They are called the Tiger. Yes, they're a cute color. I like them. I also feel kind of bad that like I just sent her a box and like put the clothes in them. These are all like nicely wrapped and paper and all that jazz. And I feel like I failed. Oh well, hope she enjoys it anyway. All right, Basil and Lola. I don't know what that is, but it kind of looks like a Brandy Melville tag. It is a tank. I think tank. Yeah. It is a, doesn't have a size. It has a size maybe on the other tag. It's a size small. 100% rayon. So super cute. Like it a lot. Really pretty color. This is like one of my favorite. I love navy. Not my size though. Oh, okay, great. I think did I send her one of these? I might have sent her one of these. So this is Logo by Lori Goldstein. She was on Shark Tank and she sells on QVC. Her pieces do pretty well. She likes this, meaning Lori, not Tara, likes to put this like lace, a lot of it. But this is a size small. Very cute. All right. These jeans are cute already. These jeans are... All right. They are Nanette Lepore. Nice. They're the Thompson Boyfriend. And they're like this... Did I show the tag? Nanette Lepore. And they are a... Like, they have like this like patch detail on them. These are very cute. I found Nanette Lepore before I have a pair of shoes by her in my closet. And yeah, these are really cute. What size are these? So 10. Maybe I could fit in them a couple pounds from now. But oh, they have the released hem and like the raw, like kind of hem as well. Very cute. All right, last piece. Exciting. All right, Altered State. Okay, so yeah, I've picked up Altered State before, size medium. And this is just a tank as well with... Is it a floral? Well, it's got floral in the bottom. Very cute. Size medium, if I didn't say that. I like it a lot. So yeah, these are great. These spring items, I'm so excited about that. I'm not sure how much spring stuff I have. Like I said, I have a landfill. I need to go through it. I really hope that she likes this stuff. I sent her... How many items did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 11. Okay, good. I sent her 11. That's great. All right. That was great. I love this box. It was very exciting. Like I said, I love surprises, so this was really fun. This is a really beautiful tank, by the way. I'm just saying. Like, this is so cute. I keep picking it up. That will hopefully be listed in my closet soon. I'm probably not when this video goes up. I'm just going to be honest with you. Because if it's something that you enjoyed, let me know, and I will list it as soon as possible and tag you in it. But anyway, guys, I am going to link Thirsty Thrifters down below so you can check out their video. But anyway, hopefully they're happy and, you know, see their reaction to the stuff I got. Dave is really funny. I hope he's in the video and he can talk about, like, the brands because he's just funny to listen to when he's talking about brands. But I will drink this in the next video. Not the next video. Oh, yeah, I'm not supposed to be drinking right now. Okay, when I can... When I can drink again, I will drink this in a video in your guys' honor. Check out their channel, watch the box to see what their reaction is to the stuff I sent them. I hope they really enjoyed it. I just want to thank again Tara for participating in this. It was really nice of her to do a box swap with me. I really enjoyed it. Thank you a lot, Tara. You're the best. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and let me know what you thought of her box or my box if you go and watch that video as well. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.